This is a greenbelt Ruko 500 with tapered pins. Tapered pins make it a little difficult for a greenbelt lock. So law tools 39 thousandths. I'm going to start off with the number 2 from the Reaper set. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And once I push the pins up a little, I'm going to switch to the number 4 from the Reaper set. 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1. It's about a 40 thousandths thick pry bar, and I'm bending it, so that should tell you how much tension I have on there. 4. And 1, I just had to hit that a little bit more, and it opens. But that is the Ruko 500 with tapered pins.